sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Honda Civic. This two-door, five-passenger coupe still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 5-speed automatic transmission. Top features include leather upholstery, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and a split folding rear seat. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.